Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best ear headphones in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Bose QuietComfort Earbuds Wireless, Bluetooth, world's best noise-canceling in-ear headphones with personalized noise cancellation and sound. Midnight Blue, Limited Edition. Introducing QuietComfort Earbuds. These new wireless, Bluetooth, noise-canceling earbuds from Bose weren't designed with a one-size-fits-all approach. These next-generation wireless earbuds are engineered to fit you. They intelligently personalize the noise cancellation and sound performance to uninterrupted immersive listening wherever you are. To ensure all-day comfort and a secure fit, they come with 3 pairs of ear tips and 3 pairs of custom stability bands, so you can find the best fit for your ears. Own your uniqueness with sound and fit shaped to you. Bose, the world's best noise cancelling earbuds. QuietComfort Earbuds intelligently personalize the noise cancellation and sound performance to your ears, so you can enjoy deep immersive sound and the world's best noise cancellation. Number 4. Sony WH-1000XM4 Wireless Premium Noise Cancelling Overhead Headphones with MEG for phone call and Alexa voice control. Silver WH-1000XM4. Industry-leading noise cancelling with dual noise sensor technology. Next-level music with Edge AI. Co-developed with Sony Music Studios Tokyo. Up to 30-hour battery life with quick charging, 10 minutes charge for 5 hours of playback. The WH-1000XM4 touch sensor controls to pause, play, skip tracks, control volume, activate your voice assistant, and answer phone calls. Speak-to-chat technology automatically reduces volume during conversations. Superior call quality with precise voice pickup. Wearing detection pauses playback when headphones are removed. Number 3. Apple AirPods Pro, 2nd generation. Wireless earbuds. Up to 2x more active noise cancelling, adaptive transparency, personalized spatial audio, MagSafe charging case, Bluetooth headphones for iPhone. Richer audio experience. The Apple-designed A2 chip pushes advanced audio performance even further, resulting in smarter noise cancellation and more immersive sound. The low distortion, custom-built driver delivers crisp, clear high notes and deep, rich bass in stunning definition, so every sound is more vivid than ever. Note: if the size of the earbud tips does not match the size of your ear canals or the headset is not worn properly in your ears, you may not obtain the correct sound qualities or call performance. Change the earbud tips to ones that fit more snugly in your ear. Next, Level Active Noise Cancellation. Up to 2x more active noise cancellation than the previous AirPods Pro for dramatically less noise on your commute or when you want to focus. Number 2. Audio-Technica ATH M50X Professional Studio Monitor Headphones, Black Professional Grade, critically acclaimed with detachable cable. Critically acclaimed sonic performance praised by top audio engineers and pro audio reviewers. Proprietary 45mm large aperture drivers with rare earth magnets and copper-clad aluminum wire voice coils. Exceptional clarity throughout an extended frequency range with deep, accurate bass response. Circumaural design contours around the ears for excellent sound isolation in loud environments. 90-degree swiveling ear cups for easy one-ear monitoring, and professional-grade ear pad and headband material delivers more durability and comfort. As the most critically acclaimed model in the M-series line, the ATH M50 is praised by top audio engineers and pro audio reviewers year after year. Now, the ATH M50X Professional Studio Monitor. Number 1. Beats Fit Pro. True wireless noise cancelling earbuds. Apple H1 headphone chip. Compatible with Apple and Android. Class 1 Bluetoother. Built-in microphone. 6 hours of listening time. Beats White. Flexible, secure fit wingtips for all-day comfort and stability. Custom acoustic platform delivers powerful, balanced sound. Spatial audio with dynamic head tracking for immersive music, movies, and games. 3 distinct listening modes: active noise cancelling and transparency mode, and adaptive EQ. Enhanced by the Apple H1 chip for automatic switching, audio sharing, with another pair of Beats headphones or Apple AirPods, and a Siri. Sweat and water resistant, IPX4 rated earbuds. Up to 6 hours of listening time, up to 24 hours combined with pocket-sized charging case.